Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Facebook Messenger voice messages. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to download Facebook Messenger voice messages in 2025, you will need to access the message on a web browser. If you're trying to do it from your mobile phone or any other apps, you cannot possibly do it. However, if you're going to simply open it on a web browser, you can simply open the browser's developer tool and navigate to the network tab. Once you have done this, you can simply filter for audio files. Now refresh the page and then download the audio. Once you have refreshed the page, you can simply find the specific audio file, usually a .mp3 or .ogg file in the network request, and simply right click on it and select open in new tab or download to save it. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.